Okay, we're now going to look at multiplying fractions. Now, for me, multiplying fractions is a lot easier than adding and subtracting fractions because there's no need to worry about finding a common denominator. First step, if there is mixed numbers, change them to improper fractions. But in this video, we're not actually going to do any with mixed numbers. That's going to be in the second video. We then need to see if we can cancel any number, and then we multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So let's look at the 4 examples I've listed here. We need to see if we can cancel any number. Now when we cancel, it has to be a number on the top with a number on the bottom. So is there any number that we can cancel on the top and the bottom? In this first case, the answer is yes. 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 10 twice. So we need to cancel with a number on the top with a number on the bottom. I need to look at what I have left. I have 1, I have 7, I have 6, and I have 2. Nothing else on the top will cancel with a number on the bottom. So the last step, I multiply the numerators. So I say 1 times 7 is 7, and on the bottom I say 6 times 2 is 12. So a lot easier than adding and subtracting. No need to worry about common denominators. Let's look at example 2. Can we cancel any number on the top with a number on the bottom? I can. 2 goes into 2 once, and 2 goes into 10 5 times. But also 3 goes into 3 once, and 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I've cancelled everything I can, so then I multiply out my numerators. 1 times 3 is 3, and on the bottom 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, another example. We need to see if we can cancel anything on the top, any numerator with any denominator. This one I guess I wrote to try and trick you. Do not think that you can cancel the 2 and the 6 and say that 2 goes into both of those, because they are both denominators. And it is, we need to cancel a numerator with a denominator. So we can't cancel 2 numbers on the bottom. So there is actually nothing there that cancels. So we just say 1 times 5 for our numerators is 5, and on the bottom 2 times 6 is 12. Okay, this last one. Can we cancel any numerator with any denominator? Yep. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8 4 times. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 5 once. Let's look at what we've got left on the top. We've got 1 times by negative 1. Negative and a positive gives me a negative. And then on the bottom, I've got 1 times 4 is 4. So just going over multiplying fractions. If there's no mixed numbers, then all you need to do is see if you can cancel anything. And once you've finished cancelling, you multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators.